Yoshi, talk? Talk? Yoshi, come on. You can talk. I know you can. Yoshi, say hello. Hey, where are you trying to go, huh? Where are you trying to go? Do you want to climb on Mummy's hand? Oh, yes, you do. Hey, you didn't used to do that, did you? Oh, you want to climb on my shoulder, don't you? Oh, but then I can't video you anymore. Oh, I kind of can. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're trying to show me who's boss now, are you? No, you're trying to tell me you want to go outside. Alright, how about I put you on the dining table? Now hold on tight. Don't fall off. Yeah. I've got you on video, so if you fall off it'll be embarrassing. Now come on, climb on there. Climb on the table. There's a good girl. There you go, you got some yum yum. Yeah, yum yum. Or do you want to play with the plastic wrap, huh? Fun fun. Come on. Come on, fun fun. Fun fun. Hey, let's see if I can pop some for you, huh? No, you can't hear that. No, I'm not strong enough to pop it with my left hand. No, I'm silly. Ah, there we go. That popped. Hey, isn't that curious, huh? Don't you want to have a play with it? See if you can do it too? Ooh, that was a loud one. There we go. Ah, another one. No, you don't want to do that. Oh, you're looking at the bread box now, are you? Oh, look at you. You look like a mutant there. I think you did a poo on my back, Yoshi. Something feels wet there. But oh well. Oh, come on, look at the camera. It's not going to hurt you. Look at it. Oh, there you go. There, now we can see your pretty face. Cuddle, cuddle. Cuddle, cuddle. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good baby. Good baby. There's a nice girl. There you go. There you go, baby. Oh, are you sleepy, huh? Are you sleepy? Looks like you're a bit tired, Yoshi. Yeah, you're telling me I'm a good girl, are you? Huh? Yeah, look at your reflection. Aren't you a pretty bird? There's a good girl. There you are. You're very nice. Yeah. You want to look at the camera? Do you want to see the camera? No, that's okay. There's a good girl. Alright. That's enough for me.